everyone, this is Alyssa with Las Vegas Summer Neat Method, and today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks on how to file fold using a folding board. We're going to be focusing on pajamas because they come in so many different shapes and sizes, but something to note, you do not need folding boards to achieve a file fold. These will just help you get the most consistent results. Alright, let's get started. For our first pajama set, we're going to be folding a short set. So anytime you have a graphic or just the front of the shirt in general, you're going to want to lay that face down on the board. This ensures that once we fold it, you'll be able to tell what it is on the outside, and whether it's going to be shorts or pants, all of our sets are going to be folded the same. So we start by creating this rectangular shape here. Then we're going to be taking our bottoms, which in this case are shorts, and you're going to lay them right towards the top of your shirt. See how it lines up perfectly with the shape we've created. Next, you'll take your folding board and you just fold this straight up. Now from here, you have a few different options. If it's a deep drawer, you can leave it, but if not, I like to fold it in half one more time, and that creates this perfect rectangular shape here. See, you can see the graphic, you know what it is, and the shorts are inside so they won't get lost. The next tip for you is anytime that you're working with a pair of pajamas that have buttons or a collar on them, we always want to make sure that our buttons are buttoned all the way up, and that if you have a collar, it is flipped down and flat, ready to go. So we're going to do the same thing as before with the shorts. So we're going to lay our pajamas face down here, get it ready to go, and then you're just going to go through the same motions. This is going to get folded in. You're going to take your long sleeve shirt and bring it down to match, and you're going to do the same on the other side. So once you're back here with this rectangular shape again, you're going to take your pants, and just like your shorts, you're going to fold them in half, and you're going to bring them to the top of the pajamas here. Now, if you have a point, I like to take this and fold it in because again, we're just going after that consistent shape and it really helps everything. From there, you're going to fold the bottom of your pajama pants up, and then you're going to do the same thing with your folding board. You're going to bring it forward, and then from here, I'm just going to fold it in half one more time. And you can see why it's nice to have the buttons closed. It just keeps everything together and keeps things consistent shape. So if we're looking at it here, you have your short set, or I'm sorry, your pant set and your short set, and they're coming out the same size, which are going to be really nice for when they go in the drawer. We all have those silky pajamas with straps, so it's going to work the same way. I'm just going to show you a little trick to help achieve the shape. You're going to put your top face down again, and then you're going to take any straps you have, and you're just going to bring them down until you get this nice straight line. Once you have this straight line, it really will help you achieve the shape that we're going for, which is again that rectangular shape here. And these happen to be shorts, so I'm going to just do the same thing. And that's what's nice. It really doesn't matter what type of pajama you have. The motions are all the same. It's just these little tips and tricks that will really help make a difference. So I have some excess on the side. I'm going to fold that in. Now, because this doesn't reach the full length of my folding board, I'm going to do this part by hand. I feel like you can use your judgment once you start to do this enough, and you can either go here, or because these are a little slippery, I'm just going to do a slight fold to keep it all intact, and that really mimics the shape I already have going with my other pile. For the final tip, I'm going to show you how this works with a nightgown. This nightgown has straps on it, so I feel like it really combines everything that we've talked about. Again, you're going to lay it face down, bring the straps down here. This helps with that line. I'm going to bring it to the top. I'm going to fold in on the left, fold in on the right. Take your folding board once in half, and then once more over. All right, that is it for our final pajama set. Now let's go put these in the drawer. There you have it, tips and tricks for file folding with the folding boards. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Alyssa with Las Vegas Summer Neat Method, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.